Welcome to a sanctuary where the boundaries between residence and gallery dissolve. This is not merely a 100 square meter studio, it is a $5 million manifesto of quiet luxury. Imagine a space defined by the rhythmic warmth of bespoke walnut and the dramatic, plum-toned veins of rare Calacatta Viola marble. Every inch is curated, every shadow is intentional, and every material tells a story of absolute uncompromising quality. Step inside the world's most exclusive studio. The exterior facade stands as a monolithic tribute to modern minimalism. Vertical walnut slats create a rhythmic texture that plays with light and shadow, shielding the interior while inviting curiosity. Massive panes of seamless, floor-to-ceiling glass reveal a warm, amber glow from within, acting as a lantern in the dusk. The entryway, a composition of smooth concrete and integrated LEDs, directs your eye toward the heart of the home. It is a structure that doesn't shout for attention, it commands it through silent, architectural precision and grace. Inside, the living room redefines intimacy. A low-profile cream velvet sofa sits in perfect dialogue with a massive, book-matched Calacatta Viola marble feature wall. The deep burgundy veins of the stone pulse under museum-grade spotlights, creating a living piece of art. Bespoke walnut cabinetry conceals all technology, ensuring that nothing breaks the visual harmony of the room. It is a space designed for deep contemplation, where the high-contrast palette of chocolate wood and pale stone creates a sense of profound, grounded luxury. The kitchen is a masterclass in stealth luxury. At its center lies a monolithic island of rare Calacatta Viola marble, its complex veining shimmering under precision lighting. This isn't just a workspace, it is a sculptural centerpiece. Surrounding it are floor-to-ceiling walnut panels that hide professional-grade appliances, maintaining a sleek, uninterrupted aesthetic. Brushed champagne gold fixtures provide the subtlest hint of jewelry-like detail against the organic warmth of the wood. It is a kitchen meant for the finest tastes, literal and aesthetic. Floating above the main floor, the mezzanine offers a new perspective on the studio's geometry. A floor of polished walnut leads to a frameless glass railing, providing an unobstructed view of the marble masterpiece below. This elevated retreat features custom-built walnut shelving, housing a curated collection of literature and art. The lighting here is soft and indirect, tucked into ceiling coves to create a moody, intellectual atmosphere. It is the perfect vantage point to appreciate the home's cohesive design language from a position of quiet elevation. The master bedroom is an exercise in tactile indulgence. The bed is framed by an integrated walnut headboard that seems to grow out of the floor, backlit by a soft, golden aura. Charcoal silk bedding provides a cool, dark contrast to the amber tones of the wood. To the side, a minimalist vanity crafted from the signature Calacatta Viola marble offers a moment of daily ritual. The seamless glass walls maintain a sense of openness, yet the strategic use of shadows ensures the room feels like a protective, luxurious cocoon for the senses. The office is where productivity meets high-end art. A floating desk, fashioned from a single, heavy slab of Calacatta Viola marble, provides a cool and inspiring surface for creation. It is set against a backdrop of deep walnut cabinetry that absorbs sound and light, focusing the mind. Museum-grade task lighting illuminates the desk with surgical precision, while the view through the seamless glass window connects the occupant to the swaying greenery outside. It is a professional environment that feels less like a workspace and more like a private library. The bathroom is a cathedral of stone and water. Wrapped entirely in seamless Calacatta Viola marble, the space feels carved from a single block of earth. A floating walnut vanity supports a hand-carved marble sink, while a freestanding charcoal stone tub sits as a dark anchor against the vibrant white and purple walls. The rain shower, finished in brushed champagne gold, disappears into the ceiling. Here, the high-contrast lighting transforms a daily routine into a theatrical experience of steam, shadow, and stone. It is the ultimate expression of the $5 million lifestyle. The front yard serves as a curated prelude to the architecture. A path of dark basalt stones creates a crunching, sensory experience underfoot, leading toward the towering walnut pivot door. Sculptural Japanese maples are positioned like museum pieces, their leaves catching the amber glow of hidden outdoor spotlights. Low planters made of the signature marble bring the interior's material palette to the streetscape. It is a garden of restraint, where every plant and stone has been placed with the same precision as the furniture inside the home. The backyard is a walled sanctuary, an outdoor room that mirrors the interior's sophistication. Vertical walnut fencing provides absolute privacy, creating a warm perimeter. The focal point is a minimalist infinity water feature, lined with Calacatta Viola marble, where the water flows silently over the stone edge. Champagne gold outdoor seating offers a place to relax amidst a vertical garden of deep greens. This is a private gallery of nature, where the air is still and the materials remain consistent with the home's high luxury DNA. The rooftop terrace is the crowning jewel of the studio. A sunken lounge with cream upholstery is carved into a deck of bespoke walnut, offering a fireside gathering space under the stars. A minimalist bar made of Calacatta Viola marble stands ready for evening entertainment, with brushed champagne gold accents reflecting the city lights. A glass fire pit provides a flickering orange contrast to the deep blue of the night sky. It is an urban oasis that feels miles away from the world below, designed for the ultimate hosting experience. In a world of excess, this $5 million studio proves that true luxury lies in the details. Through the marriage of rare marble and timeless wood, we've explored a space that transcends the standard definition of a home. It is a 100 square meter masterclass in architectural jewelry. Thank you for touring this masterpiece of light, shadow, and stone. Excellence is never an accident, it is always a result of high intention.